not the bestest golfer in the world. Most of my golf balls after a round of golf ended up in the lake. I realised after a year of playing, golf balls was very expensive. Every lake, I mean, if it hasn't been dived for 3 to 4 years, you're normally looking at about 15 to 25,000 balls. That's just one lake, which we could dive probably in a day. You know, you do tend to kick up a lot of silt, so a lot of the time it's kind of, you're on your hands and knees, digging in the mud to find these balls, and just all you can see is mud and bugs flying around, and if you're lucky, a snake, you know, coming towards you. I always tend to get, you know, a lot of people looking and wondering what's going on, especially with the bubbles. I've had a group of golfers, they thought that I was some type of crocodile or animal, a Loch Ness Monster or something like that. Oh, wow. Looks fantastic. I'd certainly swap my breakfast for this. It's definitely very unusual compared to what I normally eat. You can't really not like it though, can you? Sausage and cheese. I enjoy diving, I enjoy playing golf and being on the golf course. So I think it's more about the passion.